Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He kuaka. He kuaka.
Yes, it's the kuaka. Look at its beak. It is piko, curved.
Piko. Curved.
Yes, it is piko, curved upwards. The kuaka flies from far, far away and arrives here in Anga, spring.
Anga. Spring.
The kuaka are strong birds and they like to kanikani, dance.
Oh, yay!
Kuarite mai koutou?
Aye!
E tū tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kanikani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai o moena e hoa mā. Matike, maranga, ne tīmata tata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, tātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka o tino te rawae. Are whana whiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa mā? Matike, maranga!
What is that kuaka has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro Tribe. That's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what kuaka gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau!
Did you enjoy dancing with the kuaka?
Aira!
Okay, awesome. I see you've brought something along with you. Do you know what it is?
Aua!
Is it maro, hard, or ngohe, soft?
Maro, hard.
Is it smooth, maene, or rough, kaitara?
Maini, smooth on the inside, and kaitara, rough on the outside.
Tino pai. Where do you think it comes from? The land, whenua, or the sea, moana?
Sea, moana.
That's right, from the moana. It's an anga.
Anga.
There are many kinds of anga. What kind of anga is that?
Aua.
It's a paua.
Paua.
Ah, tahua, beautiful. Tokē, awesome. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He whiro. That's my colour. He mana wa whiro.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. The tamariki are at the beach collecting anga. What a lot of anga they have. These anga are tāhua, beautiful. Some are papatoru, triangle shapes. Some are porofita, round, and some are like spirals, tōrino. These bracelets are made of anga. Tāhua, beautiful. If you listen carefully to the anga, can you hear the moana, sea? This is the letter A.
Kuahu! It's me!
It sure is. Shall we learn how to write the letter A?
I!
A. Start at the top in the middle, go down to the left. Now go back to the top and go down to the right. Then draw a short line across the middle. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down to the left, down to the right, and across the middle. A.
Yay!
Tokē. Awesome. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā!
What did you learn about today?
Anga!
He anga. Let's learn to spell it.
Ah!
Do you think we need an A?
I! Ooh!
Do you think we need an oo?
Cow! Rat!
Do you think we need a whip?
Cow!
Do you think we need a ng?
I!
What about another ah?
I!
Sino pai. Very good. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together and then you can try and spell it.
Anga.
What's the first letter of the word anga?
Anga. Ah.
Tino pai. Ah. Now try sounding out the word anga.
Ah. Ne. Ah.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Ah. Ne. Ah. Anga. Anga.
Did you manage to spell the word anga?
Ah. Ne. Ah. Anga. Yay!
Tino pai. Very good. I knew you could do it.
Anga are beautiful. There are many shapes and colours. Tapatoru, porofita, tōrino, a, nga, anga.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he